Hi, good evening. Now I am going to take a seminar on DT-based case video on polyurethane loaded Murivine oil for wound dressings. Before going to the topic, we will see about what is design thinking. Design thinking is a non-linear iterative process that teams use to understand users, challenge assumptions, redefine problems, and create innovative solutions to prototype and test. Next, we will see the 5 stages in design thinking. Design thinking is a iterative non-linear process that contains 5 phases. The 5 phases include empathize, define, ideate, and prototype, test, and evolve. You can carry these stages out in parallel, repeat them, and circle back to the previous stage at any point in this process. The first phase, empathize. The first phase of the design thinking, where you gain real insight into users and their needs. The second stage is define. The second phase of the design thinking, where you define the problem statement in a human centered manner. Third is ideate. The third phase of the design thinking, where you identify innovative solutions to the problem statement you have created. The next is prototype. The fourth phase of the design thinking, where you identify the best possible solution. The final will be test. The fifth and final phase of the design thinking process, where you test solutions to derive a deep understanding of the product and its users. This is the schematic representation of the design thinking process, which clearly indicates that it is a iterative process. We can come back to the previous at any certain point. Let's come to our case study. The first empathize. The wound dressings for the wound healing, which possess certain disadvantages. There are several wound dressing scaffold are used in the market. The main disadvantage of the commercial product were less antimicrobial behavior, less cellular response. The next is define. The define is the ultimate aim of this project is to increase the antimicrobial and cellular response of the commercial wound dressings. So we have to see the literature review. From the literature review, it was showed that the wound dressings loaded essentials showed higher antimicrobial and cellular response. Ideate. From the literature review, we identify the essential oils are sold, sold to better antimicrobial activity and cellular response. In this research, there are a number of natural oils are present in the world. We have selected the Murivine oil for this research. The muri oil is reported to possess better antimicrobial activity and is suitable for wound dressing applications. Few report also showed the wound closure potential of Murivine oil. The figure shows the schematic representation of the Murivine oil. This can be used. This is incorporated into the scaffold and then applied for the wound healing. Next will be fabrication and testing. In prototype testing, we will perform the fabrication of wound dressing scaffold containing Murivine oil. And for fabricating scaffold, we will perform the antimicrobial testing and in vivo animal wound closure testing. The final stage is evolve. In eval if the results obtained were compared with the market products. Further, if the results were positive, we look for the patent or paper. Thank you.